My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the browser advertisements and push notifications that are related to the site Gate36.xyz. So, Gate36.xyz is truly a deceptive and dangerous site. It is dangerous because it tries to trick you into subscribing to the numerous advertisements that will be displayed as random push notifications. So you can see that there is a special allow button integrated into this website. If you click on it, you will not see any content as promised, but because of that, you will start receiving the great portion of repeated, ongoing and very annoying advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right part of your screen. So please treat these pop-ups with extreme caution. Don't interact with them. If you see these ads being permanently displayed on your screen, you should deactivate them. So this is one of these ads I was talking about. To remove them, access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. So if you find this Gate36.xyz, make sure you remove it from the list. Also, remove other malicious sites from the list. Finally, to make sure that your device is free of any other threats, I would recommend researching it with the help of Combo Cleaner, the antivirus that will help you to identify and eliminate other hidden threats. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. After the program is downloaded and installed, start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.